How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to enable vertical app drawer in Samsung. So you want to come to the Play Store and download an app called Nova Launcher. I'll leave a link to it in the description. So we'll come right ahead and open it up and press get started. And here you can see the app drawer style is automatically set to vertical, so you don't need to do anything. Okay, setup is finished. Now go home. Next you want to come into your settings. Come down to apps. And then at the top it says choose default apps. Press that. And then you want to select on where it says home app. And right now it's set to the One UI home. Change it to Nova Launcher. And you'll see it changes the vertical apps. So if you want to undo this, then you would just come into your settings and then change the default home app back to 1. So that's how to enable vertical app drawer in Samsung. Thank you for watching.